नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो आज हम कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 12.2 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइज। और उसमें ये क्वेश्चन है, नेम द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड्स अकॉर्डिंग टू आईयूपीएसी सिस्टम ऑफ नोमेनक्लेचर। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि वी हैव CH3CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. So now first what we do, we write like this: CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. Right? So now see, CHO should get number 1 because it is a principal quantum number. Sorry, it is principal functional group number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? So at 4th position there is a CH3 group as a prefix. So it is 4-methyl and word root pent. There are single bonds, so ane and al. There is no need to write one al because al is always at position 1. So it is 4-methyl pentanal. Got it? Now question number 2. So in question number 2, this is first, right? In question number 2, there is CH3, CH2, CO, then CH and C2H5 attached to CH. Then it is CH2, CH2 and Cl. Now see, CO from this side, CO is at position 3. And on the other side it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So obviously CO should get lowest number. So to get that lowest number, to give lowest number to CO, we should start from left sides: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we have Cl and C2H5 as prefix. So prefix, if there are more than one prefix, prefix should be written in the order of, in alphabetical order, right? So it is chloro and ethyl. So it is 6 chloro, 4 ethyl and yes, tell me, Hags, ane, because there are single bond between carbon, and at position 3 there is keto group, means one. Okay, so 6 chloro, 4 ethyl, hexane, 3 one. Right? Third one is very simple. It is CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. So you can write it like 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means word root is but because there is no prefix. At position 2 there is double bond, and at position 1 there is al. So it is but 2 enal. Right? Next one is also very simple. You can, if you wish to expand, you can. Otherwise you can write just like it has. See, it is like this. So from either side CO gets number 2 and 4. So you can start from, you can number from either side. Okay, so there are 5 carbons. So it is pent and single bonds between carbon. So ane is complete because there are 2 on. So dione at 2 and 4 dione. So this is for 4th. Now 5th one you can expand it first. Say CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3 twice. So there is CH3 on both sides of carbon. Then next it is CO and then CH3. So CO should get lowest number. So you should start from right side. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So see, there are 3 methyl as a prefix. So it is 3, 3, 5. 3, 3, 5 trimethyl, 3,3,5 trimethyl and hexane 2-one. See, now E we have eliminated because we start from O. So hexane 2-one. Got it? Now last one, sorry, sixth one. It is third, fourth and this is fifth. Now sixth. So in sixth one there is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, C, again there is CH, yes, we have done it, right? Yes, this is, we have completed. Now last one, sorry, sixth one is CH3 thrice. So C is attached to 3 CH3 groups and then CH2 and COOH. So you know COH is the principal functional group. There is only one functional group. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is 3, 3 dimethyl, okay, and butanoic acid, right? Got it? Now last one, seventh one. In seventh there is CHO, CCH4, CHOP. That means CHO groups are at para position to each other. That means it can be written as benzene ring, because you know C6H6 is benzene ring. So C6H4 means there are 2 substitutions and CHO at first and another CHO is at para to it. So it is benzene and 1, 2, 3, 4. So benzene 1, 4. Say in this case CHO will not get any number as it. That's why it is known as carbaldehyde according to IUPAC nomenclature. Now we call it as dicarbaldehyde rather than writing it as al, because CHO will not get numbering. That's why in this case we call it as carbaldehyde. So it is benzene 1,4 dicarbaldehyde. So that's all for the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you. Bye bye. बेबे बेबे क्या हो गया बेबे को?